Hey YouTube, Sean with Griffin RC Planes. I just wanted to give you guys an update on the 300 rehab. Take a look at this golden yellow I came up with. Caterpillar engine, Caterpillar yellow. Comes in a spray can. I think it's a fantastic looking gold yellow. What do you guys think? Take a look at these clips before the paint job. Let me know what you think. Alright guys, just a quick update here. I've got the repair done on the extra. About ready for another coat of primer. Just wanted to give you guys a good little view at it here. Remember, it was right down this area right here. You know, it's not perfect, but you know, 50 feet up in the air, it's going to look great, you know? Anyways, I read a comment the other day from a viewer that... All right, remember the repair that we did on both sides where the fuselage was nearly broken too? Came out pretty good. You know, it's not perfect. You can see it right in that area a little bit. That's not bad at all, really. Give you guys a shot of all of it. Not all that bad. This is what I did with the battery tray. The sliding trays that go in some planes, and you know, you strap the battery to it, and then you lock it in. I just screwed about 2/3 of it down in there. Trying to give you guys a better view of some sort. There we go. That way it can be unscrewed. You can change the Velcro out pretty easily. Not bad. It's not perfect, but it'll work. And where the receiver goes, I got rid of some of that foam and I glued down a little thin piece of ply. That way I've got a good flat surface to mount the receiver to at all times. After you take this one out and take this one out and this one in, you know, the foam starts to get messed up, and that bed has got to be, you know, perfectly flat for it to sit on. All right, one last shot real quick here. Still got more to do, but that repair came out good. Oh yeah. Pretty good match. Here's a little shot of this other side here. I think it's a pretty good looking yellow gold.